Welcome back to my channel Navneet's Art Factory. So I was just checking on my laptop what new robotic kits came and I found this one. So this is from Havi and this is our robotics kit. With this we can make some exciting science project in a more simpler manner. I'll order it now and check how it is. Yeah, the kit must be arrived now. Oh, this is the robotic kit. Computer vanish. So this is the kit. Wow. The packaging is very good and also they gave the contents in the box on the back side of this box. I love the package. So let's unbox this and check what's inside this. Let's start the video. Hi friends, I hope you like this product. You can buy this product from the given links in the description. You can buy this from Havi.com, Amazon, Flipkart and also First Cry. So why did just go and buy this product? I think so you'll love this product because with this you can make some exciting robots and science projects. I hope we explained you in a very clear manner. And now it's time for some giveaway. So how to participate in this giveaway? It's very simple. Share this video to any of your 3 friends. And next, comment the best video you like from me. So if your video matches with my assumption, then you are the winner. There will be only one winner and the participant should be only from India. Okay? That's all for today.